Alrighty, we're back at Gorman. Good old Gorman. We've been on these trails how many times now?
Oh, 5, 6.
Yeah, at least that many. And here's a picture of the woods back there. And you can't see, well, we're on the road, the driveway now, but if we come back here, you can see all this woods and all that stuff. Anyway, we're gonna, I guess, what, the Blue Trail?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's our favorite. And okay, let's see what they got back here. Is this pine trees behind us? Okay, that's enough. So here we go. Okay, we're going into a tunnel. Pretty neat. I'm sure you can see that. And we got a tree down. We have to go under that. So, yep, here we go. What do you call this?
Duck under the bridge?
No, the game with the stick.
Oh, limbo.
Limbo! I can't limbo. I got it.
I got a picture of you while you was under it.
Let's see you limbo.
I limbo all wrong.
That ain't right. Oh, yes. Well, some more trees down up here. We'll get to a good part here before long, and I'll get some more videos of it. But as you can see, the trees are down a lot of places. All right, here is the Blue Blaze. And here's the start of it. Well, it's not really the start of it. It starts behind us, but we always start on this side. See what it looks like down here. They just cut the grass here not too long ago, maybe a day or two ago. And it gives a nice place to walk. Then we get up here, we get some gravel. That'd take us on some gravel for a little while. But we're gonna go across, I think, are we gonna go across that little bridge?
I don't know. We'll find out when you get there.
Okay. We always end up going a different way what we plan, so we just quit planning it. There's enough gravel here to cover our front yard. So we'll be back with you and get something else to look at here in a little bit.
Okay.
All right, we got some little feeding places. If you can see it or not, a little watch building there. You can go inside that building. They got little slots on the sides where you can look through while animals come up there and feed, mostly birds. I didn't see anything else but birds out here, so oh, that's kind of neat. Uh-oh, we got a guy out here cutting grass. Yep. Okay. So on we go. Well, there's what we come out of. I know you don't want in this video.
I don't care.
Alright, so there's a tree down. They got it all cut out and away from the trail that was way over here on this other side. So that they're out there today. And then there's where we're going. We're going to walk around this grass path here with the sun shining for a little ways, and then we'll be in the woods again where we can cool off. All right, there's the little bridge. We're gonna go through there, and when we get on it, we're gonna get out the bug spray because there's mosquitoes out here already. This little picnic table here. You don't want to put something on there that'll roll off because it is sure not straight. Now this bridge is a birdhouse or feeder. Looks like you need to build a new one. Oh! A little loose there, huh? Okay. There's nothing much there. Little creek. There's one side, and the other side looks just like it. That's kind of dry. I ain't see no minnows in the little puddle of water. Oh, it's still running though, you can see. Think you can see it? A little stream of water there. Oh, okay.
Trash bag.
Alright, we got into kind of like the woods here. The trail is narrow but passable. And we got a bunch of roots here. You gotta watch these roots, buddy. Everywhere there's roots. Of course, I guess you expect that being trees out here. Okay. We just sprayed ourselves down with some off. And so, ooh, we got a boardwalk up here. I might have got this in the last time we was down here, but nice old boardwalk. There's a little creek. Dried out. Just barely trickling some water. And the blaze, still on the blue blaze. Alright, this boardwalk, I don't know how far it goes, but we'll get back with you here in a minute. Tree down. Got a tree down. Here we go. Right across the boardwalk. Alright, so we do what they say. Make sure no snakes under it. You take your pole and move it along the backside. Because there's a snake hiding there, that's where he's going to get you. And then you step over it, you're on your way. Yep. Some more trees. Another nice trail. We almost took a different one a while ago, but this one here is pretty nice. I've seen somebody walking up a Halfdried Creek. Guess they thought it was a trail. No, here they come. Yeah. Okay, we're at a rest stop. There's a trail, trail coming up through there. Got a little trail going down to the water. The water is moving a little bit. If I was out of water, I could get some out of there. This is where I got water at the last time I was here. And I got these little benches here. You come off this way, there's another trail. It's one we came from. And then right over there, there's a trail going back up through the woods. That's the blue trail. This one here, what's that, an orange trail down there? That little tree right in the middle.
Oh, it's yellow.
Yellow trail. So anyway, we got 2 nice benches here, plus another bench over here. What trail was this one? I can't see no blades. Anyway.
I seen a red one a minute ago.
Red. Okay, so there's a red trail.
It's down there.
Way down there.
Mm-hmm.
I can't see it with the camera. Oh, anyway. It's pretty out here. I like it. I like it. I like it. I do. Come out here and camp out some night when they don't know it. All right, we're going to rest here a little bit and then be off our way. I guess we're going to take the orange or the blue.
I like the blue.
We'll go the blue. All right, here we go.
See, I like all wood.
Another tree down. We just got through walking around this tree. We went clear down there to the end of it and around. But that's the trail right there. You can see the trail. Hold still, I heard something crunching. Something's crunching. Oh, okay. I see what's crunching. They're making it easy for us today.
Oh, yeah, it's so easy.
You been on this trail before? You been on this trail before?
I've never been here before.
Oh, yeah?
Can I get a picture of you?
Sure.
Oh, awesome. Take pictures of my hikers. I like those sunglasses.
Thank you.
There you go. Yeah.
Prescription.
Oh, are they?
They are.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, they're
I'm
nice.
super blind.
Don't feel bad, so am I. I just...
All right, we're back on the boardwalk across the little pond here. And there's the nature center through there back. Now we went around a trail on the other side. I think it comes out right up here, doesn't it? And so anyway, hey, be back.
On, it carries my limbs.
And here's a little fireplace in a little shelter. People leave their walking sticks laying. So I guess they don't need it no more. And then trash cans, picnic table. Pretty nice little place, and then they got some fire pits out there. So, hey, we're about done. We got to do another, about 25 feet or something. Anyway, we're going to get that 4 miles in.